my name is Nicolas and I'm here for Cryoland to show you my psychedelic makeup look today. So let's get started.